Okay, so you know that we have today is your science, no? Yes or no? Yes. So let us take out your science copy and science book. We'll continue with the question answer from the same chapter, chapter number 4, soil. I have written here. So you know that we have already completed our question answer from section E, short answer question. And before starting, please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. Everybody will mute your microphone and switch off your front camera. So you will able to hear my voice and see me properly. Okay? Okay, please mute the microphone. So we have already completed, we have already completed short answer question, that is E. Today we will start from long answer question number F of the same chapter, chapter number 4. So let me write it down. So question is, how is soil formed? How is soil formed? Acha Ayush, please mute your microphone. Everybody will mute your microphone, okay? Okay. Yes, very good. So all of you will write your answer in your science copy. Okay. So your question is, first of all, long answer question F, that is not E, that is F. Long answer question. Question number 1. How is soil formed? How is soil formed? So you will write the answer now. The process, please mute your microphone. I can hear voice, some voice. Okay, mute your microphone. The process of formation, the process of formation of soil is as follows. Okay, we will write the answer point wise. Okay, so point number A, soil is formed by the breakdown soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks into tiny pieces. Soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks into tiny pieces. Point number B, rocks are heated by the sun. Rocks are heated by the sun and cooled by the cold weather. Rocks are heated by the sun and cooled by the cold weather. Point number C, the continuous heating and cooling cause the rocks to crack and break into. Okay, okay, you please mute your microphone, don't answer now and don't repeat it now. Okay, you please mute your microphone. The continuous heating and cooling cause the rocks to crack and break into small pieces. Okay, point number D. These small pieces are carried to different places by the. Okay, don't repeat it. Please mute your microphone. These small pieces are carried to different places by the wind or running water. Point number E. The pieces rub against each other, rub against each other till they finally become tiny particles of soil. Tiny particles of soil. The pieces rub against each other till they finally become tiny particles of soil. Point number F. Please mute your microphone. Dead plants and animals also get mixed with these pieces. Okay, so this, so the answer is, so the answer is completed now. You can also find the answer on page number 23, that first page of the chapter. So I have written here, I am repeating what I have written. Okay, how is soil formed? Please hear, and you will write down. Please switch off your front camera. How is soil formed? The process of formation of soil is as follows. Number A, soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks into tiny pieces. Point number B, rocks are heated by the sun and cooled by the cold weather. Point number C, the continuous heating and cooling cause the rocks to crack and break into small pieces. Point number D, these small pieces are carried to different places by the wind or running water. Point number E, the pieces rub against each other till they finally become tiny particles of soil. And last point, dead plants and animals also get mixed with these pieces. Okay, so this is your answer for question number 1. How is soil formed? You can also find the answer on page number 23, and I have also given the video on your YouTube channel. Okay, I have given the video also. So this is the answer. At last, you can also add one line after writing the point F. Dead plants and animals also get mixed with this. You can add one point. You can add formation. This formation of soil is a continuous process and it takes many years. You can also add this line. What line you will add? The process of formation of soil is a continuous process and it takes many years. Okay, so this is completed. I think all of you have completed. All of you have completed your answer. I think all of you have completed your answer. Okay, so I will switch over to the next question. Everybody, please. Rajkishore, what you have written? You say, I can't understand your writing. Why? I have written here clearly. I have written, Rajkishore, what happened to you? I have written point wise and neatly I have written it. See, I am repeating it, okay? The process of formation of soil is as follows. Point number A means number 1 point. Soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks into tiny pieces. Point number B, rocks are heated by the sun and cooled by the cold weather. This is full stop. Then point number C, the continuous heating and cooling cause the rocks to crack and break into small pieces. Okay, point number D, these small pieces are carried to different places by the wind or running water. Then point number E, the pieces rub against each other till they finally become tiny particles of soil. Full stop. And last point, dead plants and animals also get mixed with these pieces. Okay, so is the answer you have completed, and you can also find your answer on page number 23 also. Okay, Rajkishore. So I will wrap the board now. We will do next question, means the last question of the long answer question. Okay. So I think all of you have completed your answer. I want the answer yes or no. Okay. Okay, I am rubbing it now. Next question. Okay. Question number 2 now. From long answer question, you will also write. Question is, how will you show? How will you show? How will you show that? How will you show that soil contains water? This is your question, last question of this chapter. Okay, so I am rubbing this one, I am erasing the board. Okay, so how will you show that soil contains water? So for this, before I start writing your answer, let me tell you that for this question you have to draw a diagram. I will tell you the diagram, which diagram. Okay. Okay. So let me write it down. The answer. How will you show? So you will write, we can show. We can show that soil contains, we can show that soil contains water by the following, by the following way or activity. You know, this is an activity based question. We can show that soil contains water by the following way or activity. Take some garden soil. Please mute your microphone. Somebody has not muted. Please mute your microphone. Take some garden soil in a container. Take some garden soil in a container. Cover it with a lid. Heat the container. Heat the container for some time. Heat the container for some time. Open the lid. Okay, now am I visible to you? Okay, you switch off your front camera. Switch off your front camera, please. Arindam Ghosh. Switch off your front camera. Open the lid. We see. Please mute your microphone. No need of seeing me. You can see the board. You can see the board. So if you cannot see the board, you please cut your call, then rejoin again. Okay? Rejoin again, so you will be able to see. See. Okay, Divyanka Mukherjee, please switch off your front camera. Okay, see here, we see drops of water on the lid. Okay, so let me repeat what I have written here. How will you show that soil contains water? We can show that soil contains water by the following way or activity. Take some garden soil in a container, cover it with a lid. Heat the container for some time. Open the lid. We see drops of water on the lid. Then after writing lid full stop, you will change the paragraph. What you will write? This shows that soil contains water. This shows that soil contains water. So your answer is completed. Now you will have to do one thing. Please, somebody has switched on his front camera. Please switch off the front camera. Okay, switch off the front camera now. So one thing you have to do now, as you are writing in your science copy, you will draw the diagram for this answer. Your diagram you will find on page number 24. So I am writing here, draw the diagram from page 24 for this answer. Everybody followed what I have told you now? You have to draw the diagram, means the picture from page number 24 for this answer. See at the bottom of the page, soil contains water written. There are some diagram I am showing you. See the container. First diagram is container with the soil. You will draw it. Then also you will draw the second one. See the container with the lid. It is being heated by the Bunsen burner. After third diagram, you see the drops of water on the lid. As you pick up the lid from the container, you see drops of water falling. Okay. So this experiment, this activity proves that soil contains water. Okay. You will draw the diagram from page number 24 for this answer. All the three diagram, three pictures. The container with the soil, container is heating, then container with the lid, the water drops from the lid of the container. So we have completed our question answer part from this chapter number 4, and we have completed chapter also. So that's all for today, students. In our next class, we'll do something else. We can revise, or we will start a new chapter. We'll see that one. So for the time being, goodbye to everyone, and thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.